Hey, what's going on? This is your math man, Mr. P. For my Mth020 students, I got a little treat for you. What I'm trying to do now is try to recall some of the stuff that you should know how to do for chapters 1 through 4. So I'm going to do an overview of chapters 1 through 4 because 5 through 5 and the rest of it is already online on YouTube videos that you should be already watching. So I'm just trying to give you little snippets of the other chapters, little parts that you should know how to do for the final. So I'm gonna give you some help. So that's where we at. So I'm calling this final review chapters 1 through 4, beginning with chapter 1. You should know how to round this number. Let's read it. 2,398,796. That's how you're supposed to say that too. Round to the nearest 10,000 place. So you got ones, tens, hundreds, regular, right? You got ones, tens, hundreds, regular. Then you got ones, tens, hundreds of the thousands, right? So it says round to the nearest 10,000, so it's the tens of the thousand, which is this 9 here. But you know the way you're supposed to look at the rules, you're supposed to look at the right and see where that number is at. And that's at 8, so it does something to this. Because the 8 is bigger than 5, that means this go up. So the digit after 9 is 0 again. So it should be a 0 there. And every 0 behind that, right? And then this moves up to 40. Or you can look at it on the street. How do they say it on the street? Well, if you look at this number, it's 2,398,000. So it's 398,000. Since the 9 is an important factor here, it's 390,000 or 400,000. 398,796, that part, what is it close to? On the street is what it would say. Is it close to 390,000 or 400,000? I believe it's close to 400,000. So that's why the answer is 2,400,000, right? Because 400,000 is close to 400,000. This is 2 you got to write again because that ain't even part of the situation. So that's how you would do this. That's how you would tackle this problem, this big number rounded. Okay, let's go to the next part. Now, so this is a word problem. I didn't write it in a word problem sentence. I'm trying to help you out, but usually come in a sentence. Suppose that you have 338 lamps, but it's 43 can only go in a box. So that means each box you got can only hold 43. How many boxes cover every lamp? So you got to get all of them in a box. And those lamps can't be sitting around. So you're going to use long division for this problem. So typically you use long divide. But I'm trying to give it to you old school. I'm just going to imagine a box with 43 lamps in it. So I'm doing multiples of 43, right? So 43 times 1, 43 times 2, which is 86. 43 times 3, which is 129. Times 4 is 172. Times 5 is 215. Times 6, times 7, times 8. So remember, when you're doing long division, you get close to this number without going over. That's 338. But if we do another box, it's going to be a full box, it'll be 344. But we stopping at 338. So we're only going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? We're going to need 8 because this is going to be a remainder. But it's going to be some left over, but it's not going to make it 344. It's going to be some more space in the box, about 6 spots. But it won't be all 344 here. But you still need this box. You got to put all the lamps in a box. So you're going to still need this box. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So the answer here is 8 boxes. All right. So you definitely need 8 boxes. All right. So you're going to need 8 boxes. All right. All right. So that's your lesson for chapter 1. This to me is all you need to know from chapter 1. We're going on chapter 2 next. So I hope you have a good one. I hope you can inhale that. And I hope you're taking care of yourself, self-distancing and isolation for the COVID-19. You know, this stuff out here is something else. Stay up. Be careful out there while we're in the shelter at home situation. Peace out, no doubt.